Today we introduce Phomello TriggerPOS application. First of all, we require two Wi-Fi printers, one is tablet, and we can use phone also. Now, let me introduce cycle of this software. Now, we can see here all items with images and categories. Now we take a order. One is black coffee and one is burger, like this one. Now we save. We can save from table number and other remarks, like this one. Now we can see here, print is here and you can use for kitchen printing. If customer want to add any item, then go to order, check the table number, edit and add more item like this and save again. Now check out. Here we have a discount option, fixed and percent, both sides, and one is optional, get customer, put mobile number like this, get customer, fill all required details and save. Now we go to final checkout. After final checkout, click the print button. Now we can see got a bill with all taxes and give to customer.